Police name 5 wanted men from Grange, Westmoreland for the shooting death of 7 people and the injuring of 10 others.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Westmoreland police have listed 5 men from Grange in the parish as wanted and said these suspects are being asked to turn themselves into the police by midday on Thursday, May the 3rd, 2018. The list was released by the law enforcement officials on Wednesday evening following the shooting death of 7 people, including 2 children in the community, where 10 persons were left nursing gunshot wounds. Listed as wanted are Isaiah Perry, otherwise called Matthew Perry, or Cat of Kings Valley, Grange, who is wanted for shooting. Richard Hamilton, OC Brutus, or Mad Move, 23-year-old of Paul Island District, Grange, Westmoreland. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and is wanted for murder and other related incidents in the division. Aldane Hamilton, otherwise called Fishy of Paul Island District, Grange. He is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 5 feet 11 inches tall. He is wanted for murder. Jeffrey Ramdas, otherwise called Bogey, 30 years old, of Paul Island District, Grange, Westmoreland. He is of dark complexion and slim build and is wanted for murder. And Burton Shearer, otherwise called Bap, 49-year-old of Church Lincoln District, Grange, Westmoreland. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 5 feet 11 inches tall. He is wanted for murder. These men are considered armed and dangerous. As such, their whereabouts must be reported to the police immediately through Crime Stop at 311, 811 or the police 119 emergency number, said the police who released the photos of the suspects. The lawmen are also reminding people that it is not only an offense to harbor criminals and provide a safe haven for them, but it also places the lives of family and friends at increased risk of attacks. A total of 7 persons were killed and 10 persons left nursing gunshot wounds in a number of attacks on communities in and around the Grange area of Westmoreland since Tuesday morning, which the police have linked to a lotto scam related gang feud. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.